Hi, Jill Carty here from Jill Carty Designs, and I want to share a lovely cottage project that I got to work on. This is on Rice Lake, and it's about 10 minutes away from my own home, which was nice. This is the porch area. These are the befores. Nice big area, but they've got a bit of work ahead of them. This side of the porch, you can see they've lined with all the wood already, and they continue that throughout. When we come in the door, this is the view and the kitchen straight ahead. You can see they've started some work already with the paneling, and some of the old wall paneling is painted out white. They've got a utility room with a dryer on site. This is the main area when you come in, really cozy little seating area. And look at the size of that table across the back. Excuse me, this is a little sideboard that she was going to throw out, and I talked her into keeping this. And this is further down another area for games or just more space to use, really. And the seating, main seating area on the lower level. So lots of chairs there. They're redoing the ceiling, and we've got some plans for dressing this up. And these are the prints. They're tin prints in wood that inspired our color theme, and I had this fabric, so that's what we ended up using. So stay tuned for the after video and see what we've done here.